Hi, it's Ruth Goldstein here, Public Health Consultant for Cornwall Council. I just wanted to talk a little bit about how we can head towards the lockdown starting on Thursday this week in a safe way. I know everybody's feeling really glum because we are all going to have to go into a lockdown situation across the whole country, and that does sadly include Cornwall. But actually, it's for really, really valid reasons. It's to keep everybody safe, make sure that the NHS can cope with all of the demand that we get normally through the NHS, in addition to the demand that's going to be coming through COVID this winter. And although in Cornwall we do have low numbers, we still need to make sure that we keep everything in control. Now, as we go towards Thursday, when the lockdown starts, people are starting to think about what they can do to have one last blast. Now, whether that involves you going out shopping one last time for 4 weeks, or whether it involves you going out for a meal or to the pub for a drink, it's really important that whatever you decide you're going to do to celebrate your last bit of freedom for 4 weeks, that you actually do it safely. COVID is still very much circulating in Cornwall. Our numbers are going up on a day-to-day basis. If people go wild on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, and everybody turns up at the pub, or everybody turns up at somewhere to eat, and we have crowds of people out on the streets, people don't social distance, all that will happen is we will spread COVID through our population quicker and in much greater numbers than people have been doing. Everybody in Cornwall have been so fantastic at sticking to the social distancing rules and the public health guidance about face masks and hand hygiene, and sticking to groups of 6, that we have managed to contain the spread of the virus across Cornwall. We need to continue with that. And although it doesn't seem that maybe going out one night, standing outside the pub with another 20 or 30 people is going to make a difference, it will. It's exactly events like that where we start getting super spreads and big outbreaks of the virus. So please, if you are going to go out over the next couple of days before we get into lockdown, please still continue to be COVID safe. Go out, see up to 6 people, stay socially distanced from everybody, don't overcrowd areas, wear face masks when you are in confined places, and make sure that you keep your hand hygiene absolutely perfect. It's as important over the next couple of days as it has been throughout the whole of the pandemic, and as it will continue to be during lockdown and post-lockdown. So please stay safe and help us protect our population.